Dear Virgo Moon Goddess, and today's reading is for Suzy Williams, the Ghanaian actress. Today I have to do a reading for her, and I didn't expect this. So she said she wants to give Ghanaians clarity so that she can have victory. What messages do you have for Ghanaians, Suzy? Suzy Williams. What messages do you have for Ghanaians? What do you want to say? I'm shaking. So someone saw how abundant she was becoming in her work field. Someone saw how she was cropping, she was reaping from her work field. Clarify the Oshun. Yes, clarification for this card. We have the Ace of Pentacles. So someone was seeing this. Someone was seeing that she was making money out of this situation. So this person rushed in quickly to join. And as this person rushed in, they saw that their investment wasn't moving. Their time, the energy wasn't paying like they thought. And because of that, they had to betray her. Whoever this energy is, put her in this situation, put us in crisis. She was attacked. She was attacked. Show me more. Suzy Williams, what do you want to say? Show me more. The enslaved prisoner in the reversed. Someone thought she could just jump into the movie industry and make it work like it worked for her. And this is what the person did to her. An enslaved prisoner. This person totally tied her down, turned her head upside down till she lose her life. She was burdened. Look at how she was forced to step on fire. Look, the 10 of fire, and this is fire someone is stepping in. So she was forced to step in fire till she got to her grave. Why? Why is human heart wicked? Suzy Williams was forced to step in this fire by force. She was tied down. I smell something in my nose. Show me more. Clarify the enslaved prisoner. Clarify the enslaved prisoner. The Lover's card in the reversed. So someone pretended to love her, to be close to her so that they can be partners. This is a partnership so that they can work together as partners. Someone was very close to her. This is a Queen of Wands, someone who is very beautiful and very hardworking. Someone is very hardworking. Whoever was partners with this Suzy Williams, she's a female energy. She's very beautiful. She has fair skin color and very hardworking. Look, she's very hardworking. Whoever did this to Suzy Williams is hardworking. I said it twice. I said it from looking from this card because the Queen of Wands is an entrepreneur, a woman who works hard, a woman who doesn't have time to gossip and stuff. She's straightforward with her work. Even if it is prostitution, she's busy doing that. She doesn't have time for any other thing than her work. And this person was envious. Look, this person is looking at the money. You can see someone focusing on the money. Clarify the 10 of fire in the reversed. This person is very deceptive and sneaky, very smart. This person is living happily, enjoying life, growth. This person is experiencing all type of growth surrounding her. And Suzy is surprised that someone could do this to her and still stay happily without thinking about their actions, forgetting that light can be shined on what they've done. And it's time to shine light on this sneakiness. This is the sun card, and when the sun comes, all the darkness disappear. So we are shining the light. You can see the hermit card here, researching for knowledge, researching for the answers, and having a light up there. So we are shining light on what everyone was researching for. There is light here, there is light here. We are shining it on someone's sneaky, deceptive, and insecure ways. Someone is very insecure in her ways. That's what I'm hearing. She's very insecure. Show me more. You know, we have criminals, plenty criminals right under our nose. So it's dangerous. It's very dangerous in Ghana here not to speak. It is dangerous. It's time for all of us to speak about what's going on, what's not right, so that it can reduce. It can completely stop. Because when liars start seeing that they don't have any place in the universe, they would also change and join the right ones. Someone blocked her shine. Someone stopped her shine. Look, someone blocked her. This is how someone did to her when she was trying to shine. And this is someone in her 40s. 40s to 50s. This person blocked her shine just to fulfill her own wishes, just to be able to live a luxury lifestyle. So in order to fulfill her wishes, this is how she has to end. The death card, the 10 of swords, dead, completely dead from the universe, dead.
Onyado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dan and a wasie and a open chance papa a de apostle and a dan wutimo na senso to a enuno enuntia ma wonna akwakoye bisi basa any and name de asempa enam natural things e bie wo mo ensem e de amasa krofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa emaw enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda